Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Trello, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your account with Trello, start by logging into your Trello account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Enter your credentials and click the login button. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to access a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page. Look for the Close Account option. Click on Close Account to proceed. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Read the information provided regarding account closure. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm your decision. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for closure. You may receive an email confirming the cancellation. Check your email for any additional instructions or information. Your Trello account will be closed permanently after this process. Make sure to download any important data before closing your account. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Trello account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.